the possibility of security in favor of reactionary impulses.
It is competitive public address and debate. There's a variety of styles of debate, there's a variety of styles of public speaking, but at its core it's about figuring out what arguments are and how we advocate for them.
It's an activity like no other. When you're going mind to mind and idea to idea, that's what really makes college debating exciting. When you're competing in debate, you're putting your mind against somebody else's mind. Early on, the program was predominantly debate. And then in the 1970s and 80s, it became very active in individual events.
We've had students that go on to become prominent lawyers, prominent attorneys.
It's fun to even watch some of my students debating issues still today on Facebook.
I think that speech and debate has really taught me a lot how to present my ideas to others in a way that's compelling and, makes sense and really focuses on the why and why we're doing something and why it's a good idea.
Debate and much of your life is a performance. You're always performing for somebody. You're always trying to communicate your ideas to some audience.
I've been doing it for 6 years and I coach at a local high school. I think that it really gives kids a lot of confidence and, belief in themselves.
One of the reasons I do it in college is that it's a good break from the sciencey stuff that I'm up to in my major. And I've also just found that it's been really rewarding for me.
They're politically aware, they like to do research, they like to perform, they're not afraid to be in front of the camera.
ASU Friends is like a big family. You're all working towards a similar goal and you're trying to make yourselves better.
With ASU, it's really nice to have all these resources to be able to get travel across the country so we can, actually compete with people who are at the same level that we are.